Hey everybody, it's Larry with Living Like Larry. Today I am on the corner of Hollywood and Highland in Los Angeles, California, less than 24 hours away from the Oscars. So I'm going to give you a little quick what it looks like the day before all the magic happens. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you really like it and you want to see more, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Got me a new hat here down to Hard Rock. Had a good dinner before this. So let's go take a look over here. And somebody revving their engine, but over there it looks like that's where the stars will get dropped off. All the actors, I think, get dropped off there or inside of there. Got a little tent. We'll walk over here as soon as we get a light, walk sign. Like I said, the corner of Hollywood and Highland here. Right over from the Ripley's, believe it or not. Okay, got the walk sign. Let's go over here and check this out. Like I said, I'm pretty sure this is probably where they pull up in their big black SUVs. A guy dressed up in clown, getting it all ready in here. I'm not sure. The Rolex up there. I said this is stretched down this whole block of Hollywood Boulevard here. Right there, we'll go over here. They're leaving like no room to barely walk down the sidewalks here. Here's the back. And as always, street vendors here. There's some fresh fruit. And some sausages. That's a staple here on Hollywood Boulevard anytime you come up. They just have limited room right now. And you can't really see back here. Okay, opening up here. All these shops have music playing in them, so hopefully I don't pick that up. I might come in here with a golf cart, getting all that ready in there. I don't know if you can see it or not. They just have this great big long stage running all the way from the end of the street there all the way down here to the Dolby. So got some white tents back there. I don't know what that's for. It's a big thing going on. Everything's shut off. No trespassing. I imagine, who knows if this will even be open tomorrow. So, again, all the way down here. Here you got the Walk of Fame, all the stars. There's Steve McQueen. They run both sides of the street here. And here's the theater where Jimmy Kimmel Live is. I think the Panagen Theater. Right here. The entrance to that. Where, like I said, Jimmy Kimmel Live. And right now we are right across the street from the Dolby Theater, which is where they hold the Oscars. Like I said, it's just a shame that they got everything like blocked so you can't even see. And it's one thing that you can't get in, but I mean, they actually got it blocked off. So we'll just walk down here, across the street, and see the other side. Just your normal shops over here. Souvenirs, your Hollywood land. There's a big bumblebee. And again, more stars. Clayton Moore, the Lone Ranger. Ann Miller. Most of them are facing the wrong direction. Got your Minions. And still back behind the fence. And, you know, your street hustlers. You got the street hustlers. Okay, we're about to the end of the block here. And this is the corner of Hollywood Boulevard and Orange Drive. So here's behind the wall. Got your campers, probably dressing rooms back here. Right here in front of the Chinese theater. And that's where they got it closed off to. So, more fresh fruit. More stars on this side. Casey Kasem. America's Top 40. Some churros. They got churros. Fresh fruit. More sausage. And you always have people trying to hand out CDs of their music. I never take them, but they probably want money. I don't know. But I don't want them because I don't even listen to CDs anymore. I use all digital, unfortunately, and vinyl. The Batman was showing here. But yes, here's the Chinese theater. Right there. Nicolas Cage. Handprints and footprints. Just every square's got somebody on it. Elizabeth Taylor. Very popular spot here. And we'll go on. It's always packed here when I come down here, but today's even worse because they have half of it shut off, so it's even more narrow. But you go here past the Chinese theater, and again, they got this all blocked off over here. And anywhere that you might actually be able to see anything, they got these black screens. So it's like, what don't they want you to see? They're so secretive. But we'll keep walking. And we'll go inside so we can actually get by the red carpet. And here is the Hollywood Hard Rock Cafe, where I just had a delicious steak. The cowboy ribeye. And again, street vendors, costume characters. Tim McGraw, Ricky Martin, Christina Aguilera. And here is the Dolby Theater, where it ends. So we'll enter here. And as I said, you can get beside the red carpet now. And here is, I said, it's busy here with people coming to get a glimpse of the day before the Oscars. So, entrance to the Dolby Theater. Someone being interviewed there.
With the pictures, folks. You gotta keep moving.
And here we go.
Quickly with the cameras.
So they give you some access, and then you get to walk back this hallway. So back here to actually where the red carpet is and the stairs. I imagine tomorrow that all this will be blocked off and you won't even be able to get anywhere near it. So I wanted to take today to get up here and show you. And here we go. We walk behind the Hard Rock there, and here is the staircase. And all these red curtains, that is usually open up to the shops. We got a coffee shop down here, some other things, some stores, and you got this here. So, and there's the staircase that all the stars will walk up to enter the Dolby Theater for the Oscars. And then here they have all the Oscar winners for Greatest Picture on these posts. So, try to get out of everybody's way. That's it. It's just crazy here today. And here, let me get a little closer. That's your Oscar figurine up there. Just have security everywhere here. Gonna be even worse tomorrow.
Thank you for the award.
Now, if I can get in here. Here you go, everybody. It's Larry, live from the red carpet. And that's it. Yeah. And there it is. The stairway up. Looks completely different than what it does on a normal day. And here we go back. And there's a staircase. They just put these red drapes everywhere, red velvet drapes everywhere. Underneath the stairway. And you walk up here. And this takes you back to the parking garage. Like I said, behind all these curtains are shops and restaurants. And we're going to go up to the second floor where the entrance to the Dolby Theater. Just take the escalator. I'm actually parked 5 levels below here. The parking is underneath. course. Welcome to Hollywood. And what a time to be here. And right over here is the entrance to the Dolby Theater, where the Oscars are held. Right there is the staircase as it comes up into this opening. Right over there. You can actually come in toward the Dolby Theater and get some behind the scenes back in the hallways that the actors go. The Oscar winners get walked down and everything. I did that. Don't cost too much and well worth the money to see. Oh, looks like somebody's in there getting kicked out and where he's not supposed to be. There, you got your rotating lights down there. Like I said, I'd love to be here tomorrow, but this will have to do. So that's it. That is my behind the scenes of the Oscars. Well, the day before the Oscars. Looks like everything's about ready, and in like about 16 hours they'll be showing up. So I hope you enjoyed this, and as always, thanks for watching my channel, Living Like Larry. This is Larry, and I want to say, as always, be kind to one another, and have a great rest of the weekend, whatever it is, and thanks for watching.